What are the top free VPNs as Chrome extensions in 2026? So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll talk about what are the best free VPN extensions out there in your Chrome store. So if you're looking for free VPNs, then the Google Chrome extension or the extension store or the Google Chrome store serves as one of the best methods to find free extension VPNs. So let us search for them. So the first thing we're going to do is head on to the Google Web Store. And once we are inside the Chrome Web Store, you can simply search for any particular extension. So if we Google it, we can see that these are the top free VPN extensions that we can get, which includes with Windscribe, which gives you up to 10 GB of data per month if you confirm an email. It offers great speed, strong privacy, and a built-in ad blocker as well. Then we also have the browser VPN, which provides free unlimited bandwidth. Speeds on the free tier are capped at around 1000 kbps or 1 to 5 megabits per second, depending on traffic. We then have the Planet VPN, which offers completely free usage and unlimited data and bandwidth, whereas no registration is required to start it and it maintains stable connection speeds. We've also got Urban VPN, which is completely free with unlimited data and massive selection of free servers location, though it operates on a peer-to-peer network model. So for this particular tutorial, we're gonna install this particular extension that will be Planet VPN. So we will try to search for that in the Chrome Web Store. And here you can see the Planet VPN. There are different versions for the same as well, like the Planet VPN Lite proxy and the UK proxy as well if you want. So we're going to do with this one, which is the free VPN for Chrome and ad blocker, Planet VPN. Click on to add to Chrome and click add extension. Now, once your extension has been successfully downloaded, it will appear right here as you can see. And you can see that we have got faster access. If you want, you can also get faster access to Planet VPN. You can open the extension by this and then pin this. And from here, you can also buy this if you want some faster access. To enable, simply go to your extensions and then after relaunching your Chrome, your extension will be available. So if I simply search for Chrome and then I will click onto my extensions. It should be available from here and you can see this is the extension right here. You need to click on to agree and continue and you can see that the Planet VPN is right here. I can click onto this connect button and it will be successfully connected. It will ask for a pop-up, but you can disable it and you can see that I have been successfully connected to the Netherlands server. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.